Hi everyone, Dom here from the Panasonic Kitchen, and in this maintenance video we're going to be talking about how you can best clean your Panasonic Cooking Blender, the MX-HG4401. We've got it here in front of us. There's a few different things you need to be aware of. The first thing is that the product is not dishwasher safe. Okay, so we're going to be talking you through some of the ways that you can hand clean it, but also, of course, using that built-in auto clean function. So, first things first, I'm going to take the jug out of the base, and I'm just going to show you the inside of the base here, the bottom of the base. And this area you can clean with a damp washcloth that you've soaked in warm soapy water. Just make sure you give it a good wring and it's not too damp. But obviously it is a common area for bits of food and bits of build-up to get around these connectors, and obviously it's really important that you keep that area nice and clean so that there's a good contact with the base of the jug when you're using it. Make sure you thoroughly dry that area after you've cleaned it, and that will be all you need to do there. When it comes to the jug, the lid itself obviously is also not dishwasher safe, so if you wanted to clean that separately, again you can do that with a damp warm dishcloth, just getting all the build up of food that can get trapped in the underside of the lid there. But if you wanted to give the jug and the lid a bit of a more thorough clean, you can of course use the auto clean function on the blender. So in order to do that, we're going to get a jug of water here, and it's just water. Don't add any soap, don't add any detergent, nothing like that, just plain water, and we're going to fill it up to about halfway in the jug. So we're sort of aiming for around that 600, 650 mark, about there. You don't have to be too precise. Once you've filled that halfway, make sure you pop the lid back on really nice and securely, so that's locked in place. We're going to pop that back onto the blender. I'm going to turn the blender on because of course it's off at the moment, which is what it should be when you're performing any cleaning and maintenance. So let's just turn it on, and then we're going to use the dial here to just rotate to the end of the menu, the last option, which is of course that clean option there. You should be able to just see that flashing on the menu. I'm not sure if the camera's picking it up. Press start, and that's gonna begin the auto clean function for your blender. It's as simple as that. Once that's finished, you can remove the jug from the blender, empty out that water, give it a clean with clean water, and any debris that perhaps has not been removed, you can go around the blade at the bottom very carefully with a little brush to try and get those last little bits that may not have come out. But you should find the vast majority of debris and food does get lifted up off after that auto clean function. And that's pretty much it, and that is a really good way that you can clean your Panasonic Cooking Blender. It's really important that you do keep the cooking blender well maintained and clean. It not only prolongs the lifespan of your product, but it prolongs the quality that it can produce as well. So I hope you found this video useful. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.